Hey seedlings, and welcome to Le Petit Patch, episode 2. Today I'm going to walk you through how I overexert myself because I'm a chronic overachiever who feels even the simplest of hobbies needs to be formalized and held accountable. Let's try that again. Today I'm going to walk you through how I built, constructed, reinforced, painted, filled, and started a plant bed on my balcony. I hope that this video is informative for you in case you want to start a very teensy garden or you have any questions about starting out plants early this spring. If you watched episode 1, which I highly encourage you to do by clicking, I know, I'll just do both. By clicking here, then you'll know that I was considering creating my own plant bed. I definitely wandered the aisles of Home Depot about 6 or 7 dozen times, just doing some back of the envelope math on how much it would cost if I DIY'd one of these babies. Long story short, a good man and woman of the Home Depot customer service family approached me asking if anything was wrong, to which I dishonestly replied, "No, I'm good, thanks." When in fact a lot was wrong. I had no idea what I was doing, and I was just sitting on this crooked and abandoned Home Depot flat cart in the middle of the lumber aisle, pensively staring at 2x4s. It turns out building my own raised planter bed from scratch would set me back about $50, which is just a little bit cheaper than buying it prefabricated online. I also had to be really honest with myself. Was my dream raised planter bed going to be built by a 20-something whose only education on framing and construction were to do with the US Constitution and a set of sweet acts in 1867?
No.
So I went online and I bought 2 planter beds at different prices so I could review them for you in time.
This one arrived first. It's the slightly more expensive one at $90 and also slightly bigger too. I spent one afternoon constructing this thing. Oh my glob, please. Please, if you are building a planter or anything, do me and my anxiety a favor and read the instructions. I nearly completed this planter when I realized that 2 of the legs were in the wrong spot, and this was not something easy to catch using common sense. The manufacturer just needed the proper leg to be in the proper corner, and I ignored that and thought, "Bish, I know what I'm doing." I did not sign up for that, and my best advice for you is to really absorb those instructions, really sit down with them, scan the pages, take notes, give it that love and respect that it deserves. I spent one afternoon constructing it and another morning giving it a wood protectant finish, reinforcing it because I have trust issues, and stapling a liner to the inside to, keep difficult feelings out. Next, I filled the planters with excess cardboard and other airy, loose materials to give the water and the dirt some drainage. Very important that you don't drown your plants. Also very important that you don't dehydrate them. Planting instructions are impossible like that. In a larger plant bed, you could afford to put some low-quality dirt at the bottom, but since mine is itsy-bitsy and petite, I'm not messing around, and in goes that good dirt. Next, I put a layer of compost, another episode on composting coming soon, which, is all of my vegetable and fruit refuse, which, smells like a lot of...
Nope.
Then more dirt. The raised bed is like a tray of lasagna, where the pasta sheets are loose, airy materials that absorb the meat sauce, which in this case is water and good microbacteria. And the compost material is like the ricotta cheese, because it's slimy and enhances everything. I topped my dirt lasagna with little seedlings that I have germinated, as well as some flowers that I purchased.
Voila! That is how you make a delicious lasagna. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to give it a like, as well as hit the subscribe button to follow along on my plant journey. And if you're hoping to build a garden in 2021, it's not too late to start planning and planting your seeds before the spring. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I wish you great abundance from life's tiny pleasures.